this video, I'll show you how to add a bounce to the beat in Premiere Pro. Play through your clip and place a marker by pushing M on every beat that you want the music to bounce to. Under Effect Controls, move your timeline slider to the first marker. Then click the keyframe button next to Scale. Now move ahead to Frames and modify Scale to 110. Then move ahead to More Frames and click the Reset button. Highlight all your keyframes and right-click, then select Copy. Now simply move your timeline slider to each marker that you placed before. Paste your keyframes at each individual marker. That's how you create a simple beat sync effect that makes your visuals bounce to the music.